So where is the display function written?
Here.
I get most of it, but what's this def?
Glad you asked. It's a special word.
With a special meaning.
Zoe's attempt at a joke. A failure like always.
Low blow, buddy.
So def here tells Mr. Python to create a function.
That's named display robot ID?
Yeah, and a pair of parentheses and a colon, they complete this function's creation.
Now, inside the function,
Hold on, I got it from here. Well, the variable has this robot's ID, and line 3 prints it. Nothing new there.
Then, get this. This indented part is the body of the function.
Got it. You done with names?
Not quite.
there's one left.
Creating a function and writing its program. We call it function definition.
So, def defines a function that's easy to remember.